In this video we'll look at how to modify settings from the Settings dialog box. This allows you to customize a wide range of system variables and user preferences. To access the Settings dialog, you can simply type Settings in the command line. Let's look at how variables are modified, and we'll use the search bar to locate the chamfer/fillet section, for example. And here at the chamfer/fillet section, you can control how chamfers are modified, either by two distances or by length and angle across the chamfer, for example. And here at the preview area, you'll see how the different options are displayed. Dynamic dimensions let you see the size and angles of objects as you're drawing them. You may want to display more information, less information, or different values, and you can make these changes in the Settings dialog box. You can turn Entity Snap 2D on or off, using the Snap 2D button from the status bar at the bottom of the window. Expand the Snap 2D options by clicking on the arrow, and by choosing Settings, you'll see that it opens directly to the section you want to modify. And so here you can control the 2D entity snap types. Any changes you make to these settings will turn blue. This way you can clearly distinguish modified settings and default values.